the goal here isn't to go on strike. We don't want to be on strike.
Sure.
Was been on the picket line just yesterday, and I got to tell you that the people on the picket line want to go back to work. So we're working real hard right now trying to get a fair agreement for our members so we can get them back to work.
Is it getting close? I mean, obviously this is historical. It's been the buzz in our industry. You had COVID, now you have this. You got Ford, GM, and Stellantis, and it's like, what do you think is next? Because it looks like things have gotten progressively longer, and which means worse. Is there at some point in time there's light at the end of the tunnel? What does that look like? And didn't Ford just finish and negotiate in Canada, or no? Did I have that
Yeah,
wrong?
Ford. Nope. I believe Ford got an agreement, and GM tentative agreement. I don't know if they've ratified that one yet up in for Unifor in Canada. Obviously, we're not Unifor in Canada, and our strike this time around is very different than anything I've experienced in my lifetime inside the UAW. Historically, just like Unifor did, we would select one of the big three, pattern bargain with them, and then roll it out to the other two big three. This time, something completely different, right? So a new strategy for the UAW. It's something that's been done in organized labor at other unions, but we're focusing on putting the pressure on the company, right? And by having all three of them at the same time on strike right now, it's we've twisted the tables on them. They have always pitted us against each other. Now we're making the companies bargain against each other. So we want to get the best contract from, whichever company comes in first. And I think it's close. I think it's real close.
Good.
I was kind of hoping for a TA today with Stellantis. I don't think we're there yet, but we're going to continue to work until we get something we can take to our members.